Welcome, this is your teacher David Garcia, and today we will be seeing the slope. Now, this is a very easy topic. It's just a matter of remembering a little bit of what the slope is and start making some relationships to the following topics that we will be seeing. So, first of all, let's remember that the slope is denoted by the letter m, and the letter m, right, will tell us the relationship between the rise and the run of a straight line in this case. Now, how can we understand this? The rise is how much it changes vertically, and the run is how much it changes from one point to another horizontally on a line. So let's do a little lining here and another lining here. You compare them. And let's select 2 points. All right. It doesn't matter what point we select. I'll just try this one here, and this one here, and this one here, and this one here. So the rise is how much is racing from one point to the other. So in this case, let's take this one here. And let's measure from this point all the way up to here. Then the run will be how much it changes from that point. So there we go. So this will be the race, and this will be the run. And that's how we can measure it. Okay. We have how much each one of those distances measure. We know the slope. And it works on the same way on the other graph. Now, if you see in the first graph, when we did our rise, we went upwards. And our run, we went from left to right. And that is, like normal way of measuring it. We say that if a person would be standing on here and would have to go up, right, slope, it would have to go up. So whenever this happens, right, you're looking at a positive slope, all right? Mathematically, you will always get a positive answer, all right, in this relationship. Now, on the other case, if you try to measure the rise, instead of rising, what is happening here is that you're actually going down. And this will generate a little difference on the result, arithmetically, that is. So we do this. Let's okay. So in this case, we still have exactly the same ideas. We have the vertical distance, horizontal distance, but now this little change of going down instead of going up will result arithmetically in a negative slope. A way also of seeing it is that if there is a person and this person would walk that slope, it would go downwards, right? Therefore, it would be negative. Now, these lines, these black lines that we have here, they can be expressed, either one, by the following formula. It's a linear formula. That is y equals mx plus b. We have seen these many times before. Now, the idea here is to remember that the slope is represented by this letter. So whenever you have an equation, a linear equation, such as y equals 3x minus 2, right now we're not going to worry about, right, the b, the value of b, right? We just want to focus on the slope. So we automatically know that the line that is being described by this equation here has a slope of 3. If we had an equation like this, again, we would automatically know that the slope would be -5. So these are the ideas that we're going to start working with for the first assignment. The objective is only to find what the slope is. So you just have to look for the value of m in the linear equation. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.